Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the
2012 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, all-wheel drive, backup camera, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, driver airbag, front floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.